Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we're going to see how to install Docker on Amazon 2023, sorry. So this is an operating system which we've installed as part of our EC2 instance. So to install Docker, simply use sudo yum-y install Docker. And this is gonna download and install Docker containerd, every other packages which is required for your Docker to run. So it's gonna install all those things. Now, if you are using your system, I mean your virtual machine, then I have given a separate instruction of installing for your package for Docker. So that would be involving downloading registries and installing the separate packages for Docker. But then if you're using this Amazon 2023, you can actually use this yum install Docker. So that's going to install all these components. So if you just type Docker right now, you can actually see the -v Docker -v. You can see the version information of Docker. So that proves that the Docker has been installed. So you can also verify if the Docker service is running. So yeah, I don't see a process like that, but the Docker command is working. System control status Docker service, and it's kind of dead. So you can have that started. I'm sorry, start. It says access denied, so you can just sudo, and you can also enable the same. So let's check the status right now. So currently the process is running. So Docker is currently installed and it's working fine. So this is how you need to get your system, your AWS ready for your Docker engine. So now this Docker is installed with all the containerd and other related services which it requires, as you can see over here. Thank you again for watching this video. Now you can proceed with all the Docker examples. You can skip the Docker installation video because you've already installed Docker. Thank you again for your patience and time, and see you on the next video.